Everything becomes a bit overkill.
That's it, yeah.
And I've got so much stuff on that stumpy that I can't change across now with 142 and then
Oh,
the front.
it's
It's
so
just
annoying,
like
isn't it?
2016. I spent a fortune on everything I could get for it.
2016's old. It's
Yeah, I know.
like 2 years
It's
ago.
crazy.
It's crazy, yeah.
It's crazy.
So it's like, no, I think.
But that's the thing, and they've sort of gone back to proprietary stuff. So
Yeah,
you
so
can swap
I've
them
invested
out
in
for
the
what you
shocks
want.
over the last 2 years and bits and pieces and set it up so when we go to the Alps I can set it up and so on. And it's like, oh shit, none of that's going to do now because they've gone back to non-proprietary shocks. It's like,
Okay, so we'll have a cruise down the Blue
yeah,
just
I think
to
on this thing,
get
I might just
back up
cruise
to
down
speed
the
on this one to see what it's going to do. Easy.
Sorry?
So cleared that easy.
this is way better than that. Shape-wise.
Carries your speed.
Not just speed, this feels more flickable than that.
Yeah. I have to say it was all right actually. I was expecting it to be a bit more twitchy, but.
Don't go any further now for this bit.
Are we?
Do you want to just do a couple, or should we just do a couple of runs for him?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how you do those.
Yeah,
Instead
I
of
might now this come through this line again.
Yeah,
actually,
okay.
Just to get my confidence.
Yeah, we'll just do that. I hit that a couple of times. Actually, he's